Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Ads tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to reactivate your cancel Google Ad account without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right there is to come to the sidebar right here where you have your admin panel. Go ahead and click on admin. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to preferences right here. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here where you have account status. Go ahead and click on here to open the account status. Once you go open the account status, then go ahead and click on reactivate, and your Google account is going to be reactivated. However, you need to bear in mind that to reactivate your Google Ad account, it must not be exceed 30 days of after your account has been closed. If the account has been closed and it exceeds about 30 days, it means that the account will be permanently closed and you will not be able to activate back the account into a normal Google working ad account. So in a nutshell, make sure you perform reactivation of your Google Ad account before the 30 days maximum given by Google. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use Google Ad account and how you can run Google Ad account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.